By the end of 2025, the global SaaS market is expected to exceed $390.46 billion. In fact, many founders are hitting six-figure annual revenues using only free no-code tools. But here's the catch. Most SaaS products won't survive their second year. Why? Because they lack scalability. In the next 5 minutes, we'll walk you through the exact no-code blueprint that's helping entrepreneurs launch profitable SaaS businesses in weeks, not months. And when you're ready to grow, DigiMantra will help you scale it into a production-grade platform. The tools available today empower you to iterate quickly and efficiently. Platforms like Bubble, Glide, Airtable, Notion, and Zapier are powering real revenue-generating businesses without a single programmer. In 2025, founders can launch apps the same way they use Google Sheets, without any coding. In fact, industry analysts predict that by 2030, 70% of new business applications will be built on no-code or low-code platforms. Currently, approximately 77% of organizations are already utilizing no-code tools to accelerate their growth. You've probably used apps like Softr, Tally, or Outsetter. Many of these were built by non-developers. The secret? Focusing on workflows, not syntax. Let's break the process into clear steps. Step 1. Identify a painful, specific problem. Begin by speaking with potential users and identifying a specific pain point that they experience. For example, proposal automation for freelance consultants. Consultants spend hours customizing proposals for each client. A tool that generates personalized, branded proposals based on a short client intake form could save hours. Or lead qualification bot for B2B agencies. Agencies receive inbound leads, but not all are of high quality. A simple quiz-based bot that qualifies prospects before passing them to sales could save hours each week. Use market research tools to confirm demand. According to Atlassian's MVP guide, focus on real customer pain points and the essential features needed to address them. Step 2. Sketch the workflow. Create a simple wireframe for your app's core screens, typically consisting of 3 main components: a login, sign-up screen, a basic dashboard, and the main action screen. You can use pen and paper, Miro, or Figma to outline how users will navigate through the app. Keep the design minimal and user-friendly, ensuring that each screen serves one primary purpose. This wireframe will serve as your blueprint. Step 3. Now for the fun part, building without code. Here's the stack we recommend for most SaaS projects. For your front-end and user interface, use Webflow or Bubble. Both have free tiers and can handle complex user interactions. For your back-end and database, Airtable is incredibly powerful and free for small teams. It's like Excel but designed for web applications. For automation and connecting everything together, Zapier's free plan gives you 100 tasks per month, more than enough to get started. For payments, Stripe integrates with almost every no-code tool and charges only when you make sales. The beauty of this approach? You can literally build and launch for zero upfront costs. We've seen entrepreneurs create their first version in a single weekend using just these tools. And here's what we love about starting with no-code. It forces you to focus on the core value proposition instead of getting lost in technical details. Here's a real example for you to understand easily. Airtable holds client plus deadline data. Zapier checks deadlines daily, sends reminders via Gmail, Softr dashboard updates in real time. Step 4. Launch fast. Now build the MVP quickly with those tools. Don't wait for perfection. Get a beta version in front of real users ASAP. Reach out to your network on LinkedIn or Slack communities for early feedback. Launch on Product Hunt or Hacker News to get initial users. For example, Twinar, a no-code mobile app builder, hit number 1 on Product Hunt and got 1,000 signups on day 1. Use free tools like Tally or Typeform to collect feedback and bug reports. Scene. Show a mock launch day sequence, a cursor clicking, submit to Product Hunt, then animated stats like 1,000 signups, citing Twinner's example, lennysnewsletter.com. Also show a LinkedIn poll and a friendly email outreach screenshot. Step 5 is launch and monetization. Here's where the magic happens. Start with simple pricing, a free trial, then a single paid tier. We recommend $29 to $99 per month for most B2B tools. Don't overthink it. You can always adjust later. For your first customers, leverage your network. Reach out to people who expressed interest during your validation phase. Offer them a special launch discount in exchange for feedback. Use LinkedIn, relevant Facebook groups, and industry forums to share your solution. The key is being helpful, not salesy. Once you get your first few paying customers, focus obsessively on their success. Happy customers become your best marketing channel. We've seen founders hit $1,000 in monthly recurring revenue within 30 days of launch using this approach. From there, it's about iteration and growth. When to scale beyond no code is incredible for validation and early growth, but there comes a point where you'll need more. When you're ready to scale beyond $10,000 per month, add advanced features, or create a more sophisticated user experience, that's where custom development becomes essential. At DigiMantra, we specialize in taking successful no-code SaaS businesses and scaling them into enterprise-ready platforms. We've helped founders transition from no-code MVPs to million-dollar businesses by building custom solutions that maintain their core value while adding the sophistication that enterprise customers demand. So, there you have it. The complete blueprint for building a $1,000 per day SaaS with no-code tools. If you're ready to turn your business idea into reality, start with step 1 today. And when you're ready to scale beyond no-code, we're here to help. Subscribe for more SaaS growth strategies and let us know in the comments what business problem you're solving. We read every comment and often feature the best ideas in future videos.